Hello guys, it is Thailand here, and this just spawned in my server. This gold Cacasito Cecilito just spawned in my server, bro. I don't know how it spawned in my server, but damn. Ignore this Cavarlo, because it's worthless to me. Anyway, let's go sell all of my cappuccino assassinos at the bottom. I was gonna surprise my friend, and it was gonna be all funny, but he never plays with me, and he only plays with me for admin views, so. Yeah, because it doesn't have a private server and apparently you can't get Robux. I don't know what I'm so with it. And plus he has his own opinion, so. I'm gonna put Cacasito Sasalito at the bottom because it's a good brand. Yo, but I can't believe it spawned. And there was like only 1 minute of. I think there was only like 1 to 2 minutes after I even spawned. I'm gonna put it at the bottom. Maybe a bit. Yeah. I think Sammy on purpose, like spawned this. Because the chances of the spawning instantly when you join is very low. And when you get my normal stuff, in a, in a public server I have to get way more gear stuff. But in this server I don't really have to get anything. And maybe just that. Oh yeah, and yes, I have to leave this in my inventory. There's so much stuff in my inventory, gang. And by the way guys, it's currently 5:30. So and when be real soon. Like when it hits 6 p.m, like you should AFK in the game. Actually, maybe when it reaches like 8:30, because that's when he starts. Because I think he does the early bird thing. So yeah, I don't know what the purpose of this video is, but this thing is not that good. But it's been a god, so is it only me, or do I feel like Frago la 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 is a very easy brain to craft? Because Sammy spawns his speederine in almost like every server, every admin abuse. On a din 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 dun, you can just get from the admin abuse also. The din 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 duns, I mean. Plus most of the brainrots you craft now, then they write lower money than the brainrots you give they just crafted. I wonder how that works. But after this, if nothing spawns, I'm gonna go check and grow garden. What I got on my dragonfly. Last time I got fucking inverted. I do not want last time no, which is like a few minutes before this I got inverted. I obviously cleansed the cleaning shard on the pit and put 50 level up lollipops on it again. Because I do not want my dragonfly looking like licorice. Looking like black licorice floating in my garden. Like, honestly, bro. I'm pretty sure Windy is the most useless mutation. And I feel like Frozen is just a very bad, version of Polar Bear. It also makes your pets look really ugly. Like my dragonfly will look like it's been frozen since the Antarctica age, and I don't want that to happen. I hope I don't get shiny, frozen, melted, windy, like any of those I don't want. But I could take Mega, Radiant, Ascended, Shocked. I'm most, e- even if I get shocked, it's fine. Because I mean, it's good. Nothing is spawning so far. Sad. I get why Sammy spawns, but not so slow. Sammy made the Bernard wheel spawn, but not so slow. Because if it spawned like a lot of Bernards per second, like getting Bernard cards and secrets wouldn't be a problem. Plus, we big hits fast. Because maybe after like. Oh, it's 5:34. Yes, it closed 17:34 on my thing. Damn, this thing is. Sorry to say, serious as a leader, but you're a bit bad. Not gonna lie. Sorry. That's what I can go. Tirik. PP avocado. I don't think it's possible to get the PP avocado. Cause though, wasn't you craft one? Chef Crabra. Let's all be honest, but we'd fight for this when it spawned. When I was a noob, I literally fought for this when it spawned. Because I needed it. Because at that time, like everybody needed it to rebirth. And now it's just a memory. But why did I actually think there was this was rare though? Ballerina. It's honestly crazy how I thought back then. It spawns in 2 minutes. Wow, legendaries are just spawning. Please, I'm sorry, I like it. Wow, two bananitas at once, yo. It's crazy though. Fuck Nubini. Check. Can something good just spawn, bro? I don't want this pig. No, not a foot. Then it was pointless. I need a lucky block, like I really need one. Swap with you. Casibo vale bido. I'ma co-op the rainbow sword though, because it's more effective. And I like using it. Because slap is all the time. But I'll use the alien slap more often. But I do use the alien slap more often than the rainbow sword. Because when you literally slap a person, and they can just use speed code to get you. But on top of that, they get trapped to the ground claims. They get strapped to the ground with chains. Like for about 2 seconds. Like only for about 2 seconds. But in the free. But if your base is maybe. But it only works if your base is next to it. Or in front of it. Holy lag! Shakio's making me lag. Bro, Shakio's coffee is making me
Sorry?